your presence today? First, Lydia. Present. Liana.
Yes, Miss.
Aviana.
Yes, Miss.
Asan.
Present.
Okay. And today we will learn about human respiratory system. By the end of this meeting today, I hope you to know more about human respiratory system. Have you ever noticed if you exercise, your heart beat faster? Yeah, have you ever noticed it?
No. We don't know.
You never exercise? No.
No.
Okay, we will learn about it today. Okay, take a look at this picture.
Okay.
What do you think if you see this picture?
Our lungs. That's our lungs.
What is it?
This is our
Nose. Our nose. In respiratory system, there are some organs are involved. So here, there is nasal cavity, larynx, bronchioles, trachea, lungs, bronchi, alveoli, and diaphragm. So we have to know what is the respiratory system first, right?
Yeah.
So here is the explanation of the respiratory system. The respiratory system is essential for providing oxygen to the body and removing carbon dioxide. This system consists of a series of organs that work together to allow gas exchange. When we take a breath, there is gas exchange happens in our body. Okay, the main organs of the human respiratory system. Can you read it, Lydia?
Nose have filter, moisten, and nose. The function of nose is filter, moisten, and warm the air entering the body. Contain tiny hair called cilia and mucus. Mucus.
And the head?
Pairing. It function for serve as a pathway for both air and food. Connect nasal cavity and larynx. And larynx, also known as the voice block, protect the lower airway and contain vocal cord. And
Okay, enough. Okay, Lian, can you read it?
Trachea, a tube that carries air to the bronchi, lined with cilia and mucus, the particles,
And bronchi.
and the bronchi, two main branches from the trachea that direct air into each lung.
And Aviana, can you read bronchioles?
Bronchioles, small branch of bronchi that lead to the alveoli. Alveoli, tiny air sacs where gas exchange occurs between air and blood.
Okay, and Asan, can you read the last?
Lungs is the main organ for respiration, contain millions of alveoli. Diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle that plays a key role in breathing by moving up and down.
Okay. Now we move to breathing mechanism. There are two here, inspiration and expiration. So in inspiration or inhaling, it's so called inhaling, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, and rib cage expands, and lung volume increase and pressure decrease, and air flows into the lungs. So when we breathe, volumes. So there are three here. The first one is tidal volume. This is the amount of air inhaled or exhaled in a normal breath, about 500 milliliter. And vital capacity, it is the maximum amount of air that can be exhaled after a maximum inhalation. And the last, it is residual volume, the air remaining in the lungs after maximum exhalation. Okay, now I will give you 5 minutes to discuss, and after you discuss, you have to draw it with your pairs. After you draw it, add the function in each organ. Okay. Okay, have you done?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, now what will you do to keep your lungs healthy? What activity?
To exercise.
To exercise? Okay, please write it on the board. One of you? Now, one of you write it on the board. One activity. Okay, good. What do you think if we don't do this activity? What happens if we are not doing this activity? What happens if in our lives?
We have disease.
Just get sick.
We asthma.
Asthma, yeah.
Tuberculosis. TBC. If we
TBC, yeah.
near smoker.
What else?
With lungs.
Cancer. Lungs cancer.
Yeah, our respiratory or our lungs will get sick. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this is how to keep our lungs healthy. Also, don't smoke like you have right in the board, right? Don't smoke, exercise regularly, avoid air pollution, wear a mask in dusty areas, and eat healthy foods. Have you done it in your
Not at all.
Not at all? Sometimes? Okay. So the effects of pollution on the respiratory system, it can irritate the respiratory tract, increase the risk of chronic respiratory disease like asthma and bronchitis, and children and the elderly are more vulnerable to pollution-related illnesses. Okay, let's review what we have learned today. So, the respiratory system enables breathing and gas exchange. And organs work together for oxygen intake and carbon dioxide release. And healthy habits protect lung function, and pollution can damage the respiratory system. Okay, do you have any challenges of our material today?
So far not learned.
So far not. You?
Well, I cannot really understand about the organ of respiratory because it is so many.
So many.
I cannot understand really.
Okay.
I understood.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay, good. I think enough for today's material. Next week, I'll give you an assignment for next week. So you have to interview your family members about their activity to protect their lungs.